Okay, so what you need to do first on this question is solve whatever this is, right? And what this is so say you have a graph, right? And so the edges are always going to be 0, pi over 2. This one's pi. This one's 3 pi over 2. Right? So it says that a is in between pi over 2 and pi. So that means it's going to be over here. Right? This is a 5 over 13. Opposite. Let me write this. So, Toa. Opposite. On top. Hypotenuse on bottom. Find this Pythagorean theorem, right? It's going to be, I think, 169 minus 25, 144. So that's 12, right? So now you got this triangle, right? And now we do the same thing with this side, right? So 0 and pi over 2. 0 and pi over 2. So it's going to be over here, right? And then this one, it says square root over 3, but that is also square root 3 over 1. So this is tan. So opposite over adjacent. So opposite over adjacent. And then we solve this. 1 square root is 1. The square root of square root 3 is 3. So that equals 1 plus 3 equals 4. Then square root that. So that is 2. Alright, now that we have all the triangles, we could find sin A, sin B, cosine A, cosine B. Yeah. Sin A we already have, which is right here, 5 over 13. And then sin B, right? So this angle is B, because it was in between 0 and pi over 2, B. So this is B. So sine B, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So it's going to be square root 3 over 2 cos A. We're back on this side. Adjacent over hypotenuse. 12 over 13. Same thing. Adjacent over hypotenuse. 1 over 2. Right. And now we gotta find these with these numbers. So these three are really easy. This one's kind of meh. So sin, this one. The formula for that is sin A plus B. So that is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Right. And so that's this equation. So you just plug these in now. Sin A, 5 over 13, times cos B, 1 over 2, cos A, 12 over 13, sin B, 2. Multiply these ones and add these ones. And you multiply 5 over 26, top, bottom. Same thing, 12 square root 3 over 26 as well. And since these are the same, we could just add them. 5 plus over 26. Yes. And since there's no multiples of each other, it's gonna be like that. You can't simplify it any further. So that's your answer for sin A plus B. And it's the same thing for the other ones. Cos A plus B, the formula will end up being cos A plus B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So you just plug these numbers in again. So cos A 12 over 13 times cos B 1 over 2 minus sin A 5 over 13 sin B square root 3 over 2. And so it's gonna end up being close to this answer, right? 12, 26 minus 5 square root 3 over 26, right? 12, 26 plus 5 over square root 3. Is that correct? Yeah. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah. So you're gonna plug in this one next, right? Use a different equation. That is sin minus, so sin A cos B, like cos A sin B. Yeah. So you're gonna plug in the numbers again. 5/13 over 2. 12 over 13. Square root 3 over 2. 526 minus 12, 3, 26 over 26. So nothing to simplify, so that's just your answer for